nice and clear that is. So we should be good with that. That gear lube has been in there for 2 years and it's not milky, but since this is a twin application, I always do the same thing. I always do the same thing that I did to the other. You just have to, you know, to keep everything equal. You always want to clean these. You always want to clean it before you reinsert them, because if there's like a little metal shaving that's stuck in these threads, you don't want to cross thread that gear case, because that's that can be compromising. So these two are good, and then this one is smashed. See that? See the fresh? So that's why you always change the seals, always. They're out around, the head of the bolt kind of smashes it, so to lock it in, it's a must. The gear case always has to be straight up and down. Now, so what I'll do is I'll shut it off and I'll let it settle, and it'll once it settles, then we'll top it off and then close up. Ready? So, all right. Get that. I always have that ready to go in. I'll wipe up the mess. And it's always best to get that plug in and then trim it up and get a good angle when you're tightening these drain and fill seals. Because if you're at like an angle and you're hanging upside down and reaching for it, you know, get a good angle where you can literally take a knee, and instead of looking up underneath, you could just turn it and just give it a little tightness. Because sometimes if you don't tighten that enough and he bumps something, you'll knock it loose. He'll knock it loose, and next thing you know, that plug came out, and you know, obviously it's the person who put it in. That's their fault.